Okay, question 2. We're making coffee for 800 people with some facts about how much coffee you need to supply these 800 people, and we've just got to work through and find how much coffee he needs to the nearest gram. Okay, let's have a go at this. So we're making this for 800 people, but each person who drinks coffee drinks 2 cups of coffee, and 10.6 grams is needed for each cup of coffee. So let's sort these 2 facts out. So 2 cups needs 10.6 grams multiplied by 2. So this is equal to 21.2 grams. So each person will require 21.2 grams of coffee. But we're not going to be multiplying this by 800 people because we're told that only 68% of those 800 people drink coffee. So I can say that the total amount of coffee required will be 68%, which is 68 over 100, multiplied by our 800, multiplied by our 21.2 grams. And I hugely recommend, before you put it into the calculator, just do a little bit of basic simplification. It saves a lot of trouble. And you'll find this is equal to 11532.8 grams, which if you work it out to the nearest gram is 11533. And that's to the nearest gram. And that's the first answer. And then we've got a rather stupid part B. His assumption is wrong. 72% of the people will drink coffee. How will this affect your answer in part A? Well, it's going to go up. He needs more coffee. Simple as that. We're not asked to calculate it. We've just got to state that he needs more coffee. And that's the answer to part B.